Hello friends, I'm Dulce. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare an easy, fast and delicious chocolate brownie in the microwave. We will need a banana, a little oatmeal, a little baking powder, a little cocoa powder, vanilla extract, non-dairy milk, a bar of dark chocolate, and a few nuts. First, we mash the banana with the help of a fork. And place it in a container. Then add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of oatmeal, and a little non-dairy milk. Next, we integrate everything perfectly. And we pour it into a cup. Finally, we add a few pieces of walnuts and dark chocolate. We take into the microwave for approximately 2 or 3 minutes. Let it rest. And voila, you can enjoy it.